Hey guys, Pokemon Collect here. Welcome back to the channel. Another day, another pack to open here in Honolulu, Hawaii. Alright, perfect order. It says actually this is pack number 4. Mistaken. Alright, started off with Nose Pass, Hole Digging Shovel, Snivy, Seal, Flame, Drapion, Paragon, Landorus. Get anything good here? Nothing energy, water, and growing energy. Alright, thank you for watching guys. Aloha.